Hello friends, in this Fiverr Gig tutorial, I'm going to share with you 5 low competition Fiverr Gig services that you can create, offer on Fiverr, get orders and make money online really fast using Fiverr freelancing. So what I'm going to share with you in this video is 5 low competition Fiverr gigs that you can offer that can make you $500 every single week. So before we get straight into the video, I'm going to show you my channel here. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel, Don Strategy, and what I do here is I make videos that are making money online, freelancing, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and anything that has to do with digital marketing. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you want to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification and watch my other videos. As you can see, I make videos and I'm making money online every single day. I drop new videos. So watch these videos because it will help you to make money on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So this is my Fiverr dashboard right here. So if you're new to Fiverr, what Fiverr is, it's a freelancing marketplace where freelancers and clients comes to meet and exchange their digital skills and services for money. As you can see, people create gigs in different niches and they offer them as services online and sell them to make money online. If you check here, you can see this person offers a service that says, I will write ad content that convert, and this person is selling for $100 and she has sold for over 141 times. There are several other gigs in several other niches and several other industries where people sell their digital skills and services to make money online. So what I'm going to show you in this video is to share with you low competition gigs that you can create on this platform that people will reach out to you and give you jobs to do. So one of the ways you can succeed as a Fiverr freelancer is to search for gigs that not many people are serving in that niche, so that you can be among the first people to serve your services on that niche and make money online using that gig. So the first low competition Fiverr gig I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is email series automation and workflows. What this is a service for digital marketers that if you master digital marketing, you can use softwares like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Clickera, Systeme.io to create what they call email series automation and workflows, where they create a landing page and connect it with email marketing series and automation, where people get to send their clients or their prospects, their customers, daily emails into their inbox to remind them of the products they signed up for. So what you can do is to use a website, because I personally use a website called clickera.com and I also use Systeme.io. So I'm going to leave a link to these two software tools in the description of this video, so that when you come to this page, what you will do is to put in your email address here and click on get my free account on Systeme.io, and you will get a free account where you can use to create email series automation and workflows. Also, if you go to clickera.com, I will also leave a link to this in the description of this video. All you need to do to get a free account which you can use to create email series automation and workflows is to put in your email address here and click on get free account, and that way you're going to get a free account both on clickera.com and Systeme.io.com. Don't forget, there's going to be a link in the description of this video, and that way you can offer this service called email series automation and workflows. And as you can check really good, there are only 210 services available for this gig. So this is a very new service that if you know how to offer it, you can make money online as soon as in a week. So that's it about this. The second Fiverr gig, low competition Fiverr gig we are going to look at today is YouTube subscribe button animation. So this is a gig that if you master graphic design, you can create this subscribe button animation that shows on YouTube channels whenever you want to watch, whenever you're watching a YouTube video. There is this subscribe button animation and like button animation and notification button animation that pops up in that YouTube video. People are offering these services online You can create that. If you know how to create it, you can create it, offer it as a service on Fiverr, and get paid huge amount of money every single week just by doing that. So as you can see, this service has only 883 services available, and if you know how to create that, you can create a gig here on Fiverr and sell that services. And what happens on Fiverr is any service that has less than 1,000, or let's say 1,000 or less competition or services available, that is considered a low competition gig. So this one here is a very good one. You can jump on it, sell this service on Fiverr, and make money online every other week. The next gig we are going to look at, the low competition next gig we are going to look at here, is ad copywriting. This is where digital marketers mostly pay freelancers to create or to write ad copies for them. Copies that when they see it on your website is designed to make people to buy product. So if you know how to write copies that can persuade and influence people into buying products, you can come over to Fiverr, offer this service, and make money online, where companies and digital marketers are going to pay you hugely to offer these services to them. As you can see, this service has only 1,000 services available. So this is a very low competition Fiverr gig that you can offer and make money online. And what happens with this gig is clients and customers and companies pay huge for this service because it is in the product sales niche. As you can see, this person is selling for $65 and he has sold for over 1,000 times. This person is selling for $100 and he has sold for over 1,000 times. This person is selling for $25, sold for over 108 times. This person is selling for $50 and she has sold for over 30 times. So if I open one of some of these gigs in new tab, I will show you that this is a in-demand service that people are searching for. People are giving them orders to do every other day. As you can see, this person, the basic package is $65, the standard package is $105, and the premium package goes for $135. And as you can see, this person has 2 orders in queue. That means there are 2 jobs that he's currently working on right now. I'm going to open the next one to show you. This person currently has 8 orders in queue. That means she has 8 jobs working on right now, and she sells her basic package for $100. The standard package she sells for $200, and the premium package she sells for $300. Guys, this is a huge money potential, and currently she has 8 orders in queue. She's really making huge chunk of money offering this service as an ad copywriter. So the third one we're going to look at, the fourth one rather, we're going to look at is this service called podcast writing. And in podcast writing, what people do here is that they listen to long podcasts, because podcasts used to be long, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes up to 5 hours. They listen to this podcast and they take notes. From those notes, the owner of the podcast can use that note to create an article, a blog content, a website article, and refer people to get more visitors to their website. So what you do is to sit down, listen to the podcast, write notes, and take down notes about everything that was said in the podcast. So if you know how to listen to a tape, a video, or an audio podcast, then you take notes on it correctly, then you can offer that service here on Fiverr and make money online every other day just by doing that. So as you can see here, this service has only 791 services available, and companies and clients pay huge amount of money for these people to offer these services online and make money as a Fiverr freelancer. Look at this person is selling for $80 and she has sold for over 80 times. This person is selling for $10 and she has sold for over 640 times. This person $5 over 640 times, $20 over 879 times. So if I open some of these gigs in the new tab, I'm going to show you that this gig is in demand right now. As you can see, this person has 1 order in queue. She's selling the basic package for $5, the standard package for $10, and the premium package for $15. If I check the next one, I'm going to show you that this person has 3 orders in queue currently. That means she's currently working on 3 different jobs, and she's selling her basic package for $10, the standard package for $20, and the premium package for $30. So this is a gig that if you know how to offer them as a podcast note taker, you can make money on Fiverr as a freelancer usually every other week. So the last gig we're going to look at, which is low competition gig on Fiverr as well, is email copywriting. So this is where product sellers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers pay freelancers to write emails for them. Emails that they send to their clients, their prospects, that remind them of the product they signed up for, where they have a link to their product in the description of that email, and that way they make money online by sending those emails. So if you know how to write emails that convert cold visitors into buying customers, or that converts any customer that reads that email into buying, then you can offer this service on Fiverr here and make money online every single week just by offering this service. So as you can see, this service has 1,600 services available. That's because this is highly in demand service that clients and companies are paying huge amount of money for freelancers to get this work done for them. As you can see, this person is selling for $60 and she has sold for over 134 times. This person is selling for $65 and he has sold for over 437 times. This person is selling for $125 and he has sold for over 4 times. So I'm going to open some of these gigs in the new tab and show you that they currently have orders in queue, meaning people are offering these services and people are demanding these services, and they are making money online every single day, every single week, every single month, offering this service as a freelancer on Fiverr. So let me open the first one and show you that this is high in demand digital skill. As you can see, this person has 7 orders in queue and he's selling his basic package for $65, selling the standard package for $120, and the premium package for $170. If I check the second one, I'm going to show you also that this person currently selling the basic package for $54, the standard package for $162, and the premium package for $270. And as you can see, what she offers is, I will do highly converting emails and sales email copywriting. That means all she would do is to write email copywriting, to write emails that companies and digital marketers send across to their prospects, their customers, that is designed to help them make the buying decision. So if you know how to write a compelling email that can convert people into buying customers or paying customers, then this is a service you can offer on Fiverr and make money online. If I open the next person's gig also and show you, you will see that this person is selling the basic package for $165, the standard package for $275, and the premium package for $500. So this is a high in demand and high paying service to offer on Fiverr. And where they offer these services, or what they use in offering these services, they use those 2 websites I told you again about, clickgetter.com or Systeme.io, to set up those email automations so that when a customer signs up for your product or for your digital services, then they get to receive emails from you on a daily basis, emails that help them make that buying decision, that help them persuade them into buying your product. So this is a platform they can use to create or set up those email automations. You can use Systeme.io. As you can see, you can get a free account. I'm going to drop a link to this software in the description below. Once you click on that link, you're going to get to this page, and once you get to this page, you put in your email address right here and click on get my free account. If you don't want to use Systeme.io, I also have an alternative called clickgetter.com. I'm going to put the link to this one also in the description of this video. Put in your email address here, click on get free account, and you're going to have a free account where you can create landing pages, email automations, and everything that has to do with digital marketing. So thank you for watching this video. That's it about this video. 5 low competition Fiverr gigs that you can offer online and make money as a freelancer. Thank you once again for watching. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and like this video. See you in my next video.